Now I'd like to lead you through a progressive practice session. We're going to do this a very slow pace, then a medium pace, and then fast. Good news, you'll be all ready to jam the entire tune. The song itself only has 3 chords. This introduction is the trickiest part. So let's make it feel easy. Feel an ease in your body. Be a master of what you can control. Make it musical, and the speed will come. Very slow at first. You'll notice I'm going to talk out the names of the chords. 1, 2, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A, C, A, C, A, G, F. Open F, D. And there's a little lick I'll teach you later that you can put in there. 2, 3, 4, C, A, C, A, C, A, G, F. Open F, D. Now I want to lead you through the medium and fast tempo, but let me teach you. I know there are many out there who are ready for a more advanced kind of lick. This is a nice thing you can add to a D chord. You jump off the D chord, which I'm playing with 1 finger, but it works the same if you're using 3. You're going to use fingers 3 and 2. Begin by placing them right here at the 4th and the 3rd fret, strings 3 and 2. Now move them up to frets 3 and 5. Get used to that. Now slide them back down to 3 and 2. 4 and 3. And then back to the D chord. And then what I did was I did a hammer on 2nd fret, hammer 4th fret to the 2nd fret right there. Now that last part of the lick, of course, you need a low G string to play. We're going to go through it a little faster now, and I'll be jamming this lick. Play this a lot of different ways. This is vocabulary for you to use. And by the way, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Are you ready to jam the second time? 1. A little faster. Talk it out. Feel it. 1, 2. Here we go. C, A, C, A, C, A, G, city. Alright, so this is how we learn. I would recommend, especially if it feels tricky for you, stay at the super slow speed. Make it musical and ignore any voice in your head that may be saying, oh, I should know this by now. Be a master of what you can control. Make it musical at a slow speed, and you'll see the speed will come. Please don't forget the power of talking it out and looking at what you're doing and imprint it deeper into your muscle memory. One last time before we go, and then you're going to be all ready to jam the whole tune with me. I appreciate you being here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. C, A, C, A, G, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left a good job in the city. We're approaching Tina Turner tempos. I think she's looking for a couple of ukulele players for her next band. You want to do it one more time at the fast speed? If you watched all the way to the end, I'm guessing you do want to do it one more time. Hey, thanks for being here. One more time, then you're going to be all set for the jam. Come on, ready? 1, 2, let's work it out. 1, 2, 3, go. You're awesome. Thanks for hanging. Click right here to join me in the jam session. Look forward to jamming with you right here in this video. Thanks.